Learn Hindi fast. Please wait, come with me, and
माफ कीजिए.
welcome to Polite Hindi. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Hindi phrases that can save you in queues, classrooms, and mildly dramatic public situations. And yes, you will sound polite, calm, and slightly more organized than you actually feel. Today you will learn these key expressions.
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें.
Meaning please wait.
कृपया मेरे साथ आइए.
Meaning please come with me.
कृपया यहाँ देखिए.
Meaning please look here.
कृपया वो फिर से कहिए.
Meaning please say that again. And
माफ कीजिए.
meaning excuse me, please. If your brain feels shy, that is fine. We are bringing it tea and teaching it Hindi. The tiny office adventure. Imagine you walk into a very official office with 1 fan, 3 chairs, and the energy of a sleepy Monday. Listen closely, because every phrase appears in this little story. You enter the office and try to ask a question, but first you politely say,
माफ कीजिए.
The receptionist raises one hand like a peaceful traffic controller and says,
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें.
You wait. You wait so politely that even the wall clock seems impressed. Then the receptionist smiles and says,
कृपया मेरे साथ आइए.
You follow. Inside the next room, a manager points to a form and says,
कृपया यहाँ देखिए.
The manager explains something very fast, perhaps faster than human language should legally be spoken. So you smile and say,
कृपया वो फिर से कहिए.
and just like that, you survive the office. In Hindi, like a legend. Phrase by phrase. Now let's break the phrases into bite-sized pieces. No stress, no grammar storm, just useful chunks you can actually remember.
कृपया.
Means please. It is your politeness button. Press it often.
प्रतीक्षा करें.
Means wait. Together.
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें. मेरे साथ.
Means with me, and
आइए.
means come. Together.
कृपया मेरे साथ आइए. यहाँ.
Means here, and
देखिए.
means look in a polite way. So,
कृपया यहाँ देखिए. फिर से.
means again, and
कहिए.
means say, politely. So,
कृपया वो फिर से कहिए. माफ कीजिए.
is your polite excuse me. Use it before interrupting, asking, or squeezing past people who have mysteriously decided to become furniture. Funny real-life dialogues. Let's make the phrases talk. These mini dialogues are short, useful, and just silly enough to stick in your memory. Dialogue 1. A. I am ready to enter the room right now. B.
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें.
A. Even my impatience has to wait. Dialogue 2. A. Where is the office? B.
कृपया मेरे साथ आइए.
A. Excellent, because wandering in circles was not my long-term plan. Dialogue 3. A. What am I supposed to read? B.
कृपया यहाँ देखिए.
A. Ah yes, the giant sign. My eyes were apparently on vacation. Dialogue 4. A. The announcement was blurry to my ears. B. Then say.
कृपया वो फिर से कहिए.
A. Very good. I choose clarity over pretending. Dialogue 5. A. I need to get through this crowded train. B. Say.
माफ कीजिए.
A. Better than shouting, move, citizens. Repeat after me. Now it is your turn. Say each Hindi phrase out loud after the pause, even if you sound dramatic. Dramatic is memorable. Please wait.
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें.
Please come with me.
कृपया मेरे साथ आइए.
Please look here.
कृपया यहाँ देखिए.
Please say that again.
कृपया वो फिर से कहिए.
Excuse me, please.
माफ कीजिए.
Quick quiz, no panic. Let's test your memory. If you miss one, no problem. You already know the perfect phrase for that. How do you say please wait in Hindi?
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें.
How do you say please come with me in Hindi?
कृपया मेरे साथ आइए.
How do you say please look here in Hindi?
कृपया यहाँ देखिए.
How do you ask someone to repeat politely?
कृपया वो फिर से कहिए.
How do you say excuse me, please?
माफ कीजिए.
Mini culture tip. Here is a useful little note. These phrases sound respectful and practical, which is exactly what you want when talking to strangers, staff, teachers, or anyone who controls doors and information. In many everyday Hindi situations, polite forms matter. Phrases like
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें.
and
कृपया यहाँ देखिए.
sound courteous and clear.
माफ कीजिए.
Is especially useful because it can open a conversation gently before a question. So if you forget everything else in a busy moment, start with politeness. Politeness travels well. You did it. Nice work. You just learned 5 Hindi phrases that are small, powerful, and surprisingly good at preventing confusion. Today you practiced
कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें. कृपया मेरे साथ आइए. कृपया यहाँ देखिए. कृपया वो फिर से कहिए.
and
माफ कीजिए.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the phrases out loud, and use them the next time life puts you in a queue, a classroom, or a gloriously confusing public office. You are doing great, so come back, practice again, and let your Hindi grow one polite phrase at a time.